Chase and Regan, we all desire for your story of love to say something marvelous and impactful about love, and those who are closest to you will have the greatest joy of seeing that.
Chase, you've been around so long, I don't even remember meeting you as Regan's official boyfriend, but I do remember her constantly coming over and talking about this Chase guy from work. When she told me that she was going camping in a tent for fun, I knew she was head over heels.
I recently heard in the movie that home is where you can entirely be yourself. And when you're with the person who loves you for you, you're always home. And I felt that perfectly described us. You have chosen to love me for me, and I cannot tell you how much that means to me. You are my home.
In a time where I felt lost, underappreciated, and feeling low regarding myself, you made me feel wanted, calm, and excited. You coming into my life at the time you did was everything I needed to start to find myself again, especially with your help. You saved me from another destructive path, and I thank you for that.
I'm turning the pages of all I've ever known. We're destined for greatness. All the places we could go. I've seen it in my dreams.
Chase, you make us your bride.
And I know Chase will make an incredible husband. He's been in training for 7 years, and he will now get a lifetime with her. I couldn't be happier to see these two married today. I hope you two have endless memories and plenty of happiness.
Now, Regan, my first memory of you is actually interviewing you at Bar None. And looking back, I didn't realize that interview was also the first round of interviews for the position of my best friend's future wife. Together, you just make sense. You balance each other out, you support each other, and you genuinely enjoy life together. And that's something special.
And last, may God watch over you guys with happiness, peace, and just the remainder of your lives. I want you to enjoy every moment, because you just never know.
I'm so excited to be starting this next season of life with you as husband and wife. Douglas begged me to add in this that he loves you and that you're his best friend.
I promise to protect you, love you, build you up, be there for you during hard times, and be the best man and future father to our children.